Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the insight question answers from chapter 5 Panchayati Raj Class 6 Civics West Bengal Board. So let's start. Okay, number 1, what is Panchayati Raj? The system of governance in rural areas is known as the Panchayati Raj. Number 2, what does the Panchayati Raj consist of? The Panchayati Raj consists of 3 levels of government: Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti or Janapad Panchayat, and district or Zila Parishad. Number 3, 3, 4 and 5 are fill in the blanks from this chapter. The Gram Panchayat works at the grassroots level of village level. Number 4, the Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti works at the block level. Number 5, the Zila Parishad works at the district level. Number 6, who ensures the smooth functioning of the village in India? In village of India, a Gram Sabha, a Gram Panchayat and the Naya Panchayat ensures the smooth functioning of the village. 7. What does a Gram Sabha consist of? A Gram Sabha consists of all the men and women of 18 years of age or above who live in the area covered by a panchayat. Number 8, which is the most important part of the Gram Panchayat? Gram Sabha is the most important part of the Gram Panchayat. Number 9, why is Gram Sabha the most important part of the Gram Panchayat? Gram Sabha meets regularly to ensure development and cooperation in the area, so it is the most important part of the Gram Panchayat. Number 10, mention the functioning of Gram Sabha. Elect the members of the Gram Panchayat, discuss the important problems and needs of the village, approves the development plans and solution to the problems put forth by the Gram Panchayat, monitors the activities of the Gram Panchayat and prevents it from misusing its power and money, forms committees such as construction committee to carry out certain tasks in collaboration with the members of the Panchayat. Number 11, what does a Gram Panchayat Act consist of? The Gram Panchayat consists of the members elected by the Gram Sabha, such as Sarpanch, along with the elected members and a Panchayat Secretary. Number 12, who elects the members of Gram Panchayat? The Gram Sabha. 13, fill in the blank. In Gram Panchayat, 1/3 seats are reserved for women and some others of the members of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Number 14. The Gram Panchayat is elected for a period of 5 years. Number 15. What is wards? Every village panchayat consists of smaller areas formally known as wards. Number 16. Who are Panch? Each wards elects a representative to serve in the panchayat. These representatives are known as the ward members or Panch. Number 17. The Panch are headed by a Sarpanch. Number 18. The Sarpanch presided over the meetings of the panchayat and Gram Sabha. Number 19. Who appoints the Panchayat Secretary? The Panchayat Secretary is appointed by the government. Number 20. Mention the functions of the Panchayat Secretary. The Panchayat Secretary is responsible to call meetings of the Gram Sabha and Panchayat, record the proceedings of the meetings, record the development activities by the Panchayat, prepare a budget and advise the villagers on matters of health, education, farming, etc. 21. What are the functions of Gram Panchayat? Construction and maintenance of public facilities such as roads and street lights, provision of education and health care facilities by setting up schools and dispensaries. Construction and maintenance of water sources such as village wells and hand pumps. Collection of taxes imposed on houses, shops, lands, etc. Maintenance of records of births and deaths. Implementation of employment generating schemes of the government. Maintenance the cleanliness and hygiene in the village. prevention of practices such as caste-based and gender-based discrimination to ensure social justice in the village. Number 22. What are sources of income of Gram Panchayat? First point, tax imposed on houses, shops, lands, etc. Next one, funds granted by the government schemes and received from Panchayat Samiti and Zila Parishad. Next one, fines collected from the people. Last one, donations received for the welfare of the community. 23. Who appoints a Naya Panchayat? A Naya Panchayat is appointed by the village Panchayat. 24. What are the responsibilities of Naya Panchayat? A Naya Panchayat is responsible for providing justice at the local level. It can hear only minor cases such as these of thefts and trespassing. It is only authorized to impose fines and not send anyone to prison. 25. When did the Panchayati Raj institutions gain recognition? The Panchayati Raj institutions gained recognition through the passing of 73rd Constitutional Amendment on 24th April 1993. Number 26. When is National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated? The Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated every year on 24th of April. 27. Who manage the election to the panchayats? The election of to the panchayats are not managed by the Election Commission of India but by the state election commissions. 29. Who strengthened the democratic spirit in India? The Panchayati Raj. Number 29. Write the importance of Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj has strengthened the democratic spirit in India. It has been successful in promoting people participation at the local level. It has reduced the burden of central and state government. It helped people gain knowledge and experience in resolving their local problems on their own in an affordable and efficient manner. Okay, so these are the inside question answers from chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.